Today I shall start exercise 9.1 Applications of trigonometry. Question is first question. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tied from a vertical pole. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground is 30 degree. Now at first you look the figure. AB equal to H I have assumed, which is the height of the vertical pole. AC equal to 20 meter, this is length of the rope which is tied to the vertical pole. And angle ACB equal to 30 degree, that is the rope made the angle 30 degree with the ground. Okay, now you have to determine the height of the pole. Now you look here, is height is to be determined, and this is the hypotenuse of the right triangle. ABC is a right triangle because a vertical pole always made 90 degree angle with the horizontal ground. So ABC is a right triangle. Now from this angle, from this respective angle, this is the perpendicular, this is base, and this is hypotenuse. So you have to make a relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse. So sin theta will be, you will take, because sin theta equal to P by H. There is a relation of perpendicular and hypotenuse sin theta. So I have written here, in ABC is a right triangle. So in right triangle ABC, in right triangle ABC, sin 30 degree equal to AB by AC. So which is the value of sin 30? That is half. Half equal to H by 20. AB, the height of pole, I have taken H, and AC, the length of rope, is given 20. So after calculation, 2H equal to 20 by cross multiplication. So H equal to 10. That is height of the vertical pole is 10 meter. Okay. Now next question. Next question is, a tree breaks and broken part of the tree touches the ground, making the angle 30 degree. Okay. At a distance of 8 meter from the foot of the tree. So find the height of the tree. Now look, at first you see the figure, then it will be easy to understand. BC, I have written here, BC equal to total height of the tree. Okay, and this part AB equal to H I have assumed, and AC equal to X, which is the broken part. AC broken part is touches the ground, so AC equal to AD. I have written here AC equal to AD equal to X, broken part of the tree, and angle ADB is given 30 degree, and BD equal to 8 meter. Okay, it is given. So you have to, you take out total height of the tree is H plus S. Okay, total height of the tree is, right, you look here, H plus S. So H and X you have to determine. For take out H by H, this is the perpendicular and this is the base. So perpendicular and base, between the relation of perpendicular and base, you have to write down tan theta. And when base and hypotenuse, there will be a relation of cos theta. Okay. So in right triangle ABD, tan 30 degree equal to AB by BD. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 by root 3, and AB equal to H by 8. So H root 3 equal to 8 and H equal to 8 by root 3. Okay. And now you have to take out the value of X, because H plus X equal to total height of the tree. So this X, because AC equal to AD, which is the broken part of the tree. Now in right triangle ABD, cos 30 degree, you look here, cos 30 degree equal to BD by AD. So I have written here cos 30 degree equal to BD by AD. Cos 30's value is root 3 by 2 and BD is given 8 and this is x. So by cross multiplication x root 3 equal to 2 8 just 16 and x equal to 16 by root 3. Equation number 2. Now x and h both are determined. So total height of the tree equal to h plus x. So 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. Root 3 is the LCM and 8 plus 16. That is 24 by root 3. To rationalize the denominator, numerator and denominator are multiplied by root 3. Okay. Root 3. So 24 root 3 and root 3 3. So this is divisible. 24 is divisible by 3. So it is 3 8 is 24. 8 root 3 meter. Okay. So height of the total tree is 8 root 3 meter. Answer. Now next question. Question number 3. One slides for younger children is of the height 1.5 meter, which is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground, and whereas for the elder children another slide of height 3 meter inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. So find the length of the two slides. Now at first figures are most important thing. You look the figure and then you will understand. Given AB equal to 1.5 height of the smaller slide, angle ACB equal to 30 degree and AC equal to length of the smaller side. Show in right triangle ABC sin 30 because there is a relation of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay, so sin theta will be taken. Sin 30 equal to AB by AC. So half equal to 1.5 by AC. So by cross multiplication, AC equal to 2 into 1.5, that is AC half equal to 1.5 by AC and AC equal to 2 into 1.5, that is 3. So length of the smaller slide is 3 meter. And there are two questions. So here PQ is the 3 meter given height of the bigger slide and PRQ equal to given 60 degrees, same type of math, and PR, that is the length of the larger slide, is to be determined. So again in right triangle PQR sin 60 will be taken because there is a relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse. Sin 60 equal to PQ by PR. So sin 60's value root 3 by 2 equal to 3 by PR. By cross multiplication, PR root 3 equal to 3 2 ja 6. So PR equal to 2 into 3 I have written here by root 3. And 3 is the root 3 into root 3. You know 3 can be split up as root 3 into root 3. And here root 3. Root 3 cancel. So 2 root 3. So length of the bigger slide is 2 root 3 meter. Okay. Length of the bigger slide is 2 root 3 meter. Now okay.